Hi folks, and welcome to a second video on Dolly. So as you can see, I've changed my Dolly's eye colour. Really like this coloured eyes. Mine seems to be grumpy a lot of the time. Just cheered my Dolly up there. So we've sorted out the squeak with the treads, and we're going to have another try at getting Dolly to recognise our faces. Hey Dolly, go back. So we're going to have a look at the troubleshooting section and see if we can get Dolly see if we can get Dolly to recognise us. But first of all, I'm going to try and get some sort of interaction between Dolly and Loona. I've got a new robot.
A new robot? That sounds exciting. What's its name?
Its name is Dolly. Why don't you ask Dolly a question? Hey Dolly.
All right, let's play. What would you like me to ask Dolly? Activated. Got something specific in mind?
So Loona activated some sort of game mode there with Dolly, but I wasn't sure how the game worked. So I just had to take her out of that. Hey Loona, can you give a command to Dolly?
All right, let me give it a shot. Hey, Dolly.
Hey Dolly.
Come on out and let's have some fun. Where are you hiding? The answer is 9.
So the answer to let's have some fun, let's go out and have some fun, the answer to that is 9, which is quite an interesting answer. Ask Dolly to move back.
Move back. That's a classic command. Kind of like telling a dog to sit, but without the tail wagging. What do you think Dolly will do? Will she give you a sassy look first?
Give her the command. Hey Loona. Give Dolly the command.
All right, here goes.
Hey Dolly.
Dolly, move back. Let's see if she obeys or gives you that classic robot sass. I'm always up for a challenge. What would you like me to try again? Let's give it another go together. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat?
Ask her to do it again.
Okay, let's
Hey
keep
Dolly.
this robot command train rolling. Dolly, move back. Again. I wonder if she's got a trick up her sleeve this time. What do you think her reaction will be?
She's gone into exercise mode. Ask her to move back again. Loona moved back that time. Hello Loona. Ask Dolly to move back again. Hey Dolly.
Here we go again. Dolly, move back. I'm on the edge of my wheels waiting to see if she's got something special planned this time. Do you think she'll keep it simple or throw in a twist?
I was just pleased that she understood your command and executed it perfectly.
That's awesome. Sounds like Dolly's got some good listening skills.
So what we're going to do next is, I've opened the app. So we've gone into the app.
Yeah.
And we're going to choose Explore. So Paul's going to control Dolly now. And he's going to send Dolly under a coffee table, because I've put some things underneath the coffee table. Oh, you want to put a light at the front though?
Oh yeah.
Can you not move a light to the front?
I can, yeah. Let's put them on first. And then swing them round to the front.
Yeah, that should help see underneath.
So I'm going under the table.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can see them already, yeah.
It looks good.
We've got an axolotl, a ghost. This is quite a narrow gap, isn't it?
It is.
And what's that? Oh, that's Usagi, isn't it?
Usagi.
And Harry Potter.
Yeah, yeah.
Shall I attempt to retrieve one of them? I'll try and get the ghost back.
Or maybe try and, I don't know, move one. I don't know if you could retrieve them, but...
Oh, I might run into difficulty. There seem to be some cables.
Yes, I think you maybe move backwards.
So if I can trap the ghost between Dolly's arms. Ah, look at that. Yeah, I've got it. I've got the ghost.
You want to bring the ghost?
I've retrieved the ghost.
You've got to try and bring her out at the front here, Paul.
Yeah.
Look at that ghost. It looks so funny, the ghost moving along.
I'm having a bit of trouble steering. I'm not sure if I've encountered some sort of Oh no. Hey, got it.
Oh wow! That's ace! Look at that!
Well done,
That's
Dolly.
Brilliant!
That's without any hands.
Brought a bit of dust out as well. Next, we're going to try and get Dolly to return to her charger, because that's something we haven't done yet.
Yeah. Hey, Dolly. Go to charger. That seems to do it. So Dolly's using a camera and vision here, isn't she? Not quite lined up there. So she seems to take a reference point through vision, and then when she's got that, she can orientate herself to reverse in.
A bit out at the moment.
Yeah, and out the same way as well.
So we put it against a wall this time. Hey Dolly, drive to your charger.
I wonder if she's in a state of not wanting to go because she thinks she's already on it, or, you know, she failed last time and then she sort of gave up. Maybe if we turn Dolly off and then on again, she might do it.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
And she's with us again. Hey, Dolly, return to charger. She's doing it this time. So she sort of give up again. I wonder why that is. Hey, Dolly, return to charger. There's obviously some sort of algorithm executing now, isn't there? And oh, she's done it this time, maybe.
No.
No. So I wonder if one of her sensors has come off the ground and she thinks she's over an edge.
Maybe.
Hey Dolly, return to charger. She's in that state where she doesn't want to do it again. Hey Dolly, turn left. So she's accepting commands. Hey Dolly, turn left. Hey Dolly, return to charger. So she's seeing the logo, isn't she? And she's attempting to align. Ooh, she's done it this time. Yeah,
Yes,
she's done it this time. Well done, Dolly. One thinks the algorithm could be improved there for getting back on base.
But you can do it.
Yeah.
I remember when we got Loona, it took a long time before they got it right, where she could get onto a charging base.
It did, yeah.
Accurately.
There seemed to be a sort of an orientation problem, didn't there? She didn't seem to know. Somehow she was sort of like out of sync with the real orientation. After having said that, though, with both Loona and Dolly, I don't find return to base that impressive when you compare it against, say, something like a Rumba vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
Now, I know Loona and Dolly are using vision, aren't they? Camera vision, whereas on the Rumba vacuum cleaner, it's using infrared, so infrared alignment.
I wonder if vision is really the best way to get something to return to base. Because can you remember the Dyson robotic vacuum cleaner?
Dyson robotic vacuum cleaner, yeah.
It used vision, a camera and a key, and it was appalling at getting back to base.
Well, the first time we saw it trying to do it, it was. I don't know.
Yeah, they've probably ironed it out now,
Yeah.
but I do wonder if it's the best way for a robot to find its base to use a camera.
I think it could be. I mean, all it's got to do is take a reference point so it can get its bearing visually. And then once it's got that, because it can precisely control its orientation and it knows where it is in relation to that reference point, there's no reason why it shouldn't be able to dock perfectly. It seems to be that the first observation it's taken of the base and the symbol on the base is somehow wrong.
Hey, I've noticed something. This base, it's got a light where the symbol is.
Yeah.
And once she docks properly, that light goes off.
Goes off, yeah.
So that shows you that she's
charging.
She's charging.
I think that's for our benefit, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just something that I've just noticed. Because I did see in the user group, I think somebody said, how do we know she's charging? But I've just noticed that the light goes off.
That's right, yeah. I wonder if this symbol is sensitive to angle of illumination and it can throw Dolly out. It can give her a wrong bearing if it's not lit correctly or symmetrically.
Oh. So next we're going to have a look at the Blockley coding. So down the left-hand side, we've got I, sound, drive, arm, lights, time, loops, servo, GPIO, logic and events.
Okay. Are you using the advanced version of Blockley? Because it comes in 3 flavours, doesn't it?
Yeah, but even the advanced, it's not really. Okay, so the first thing we look at is I. We take this line here. It says I expression happiness, type admiring. This start previous completed. You can have previous completed or instant, and I think it just means that
before the instruction, so it doesn't go on to the next instruction
until it's completed.
So if you were to blink the eyes for 3 seconds, it would sort of block the code from continuing whilst the eyes blink for 3 seconds.
So let's see what happiness and admiring is. So
okay.
We'll just press the play button.
Oh, so what you're doing, you've just got to start and 1 line of code then. And it's as simple as pressing the play button.
So
happiness and admiring. I would never have guessed that one. But there's a sort of happiness. I don't know about the admiring. It's got a bit cross-eyed, I suppose, isn't it? Yeah.
And this next line, it says, I type default. So this is like the default I setting.
Yeah.
So we'll press play again.
It sort of blinked.
Ah, like blinks, yeah.
Mm.
So let's try putting a delay
In between the two lines.
See.
Change it to 1,000 milliseconds because 500 milliseconds is over in too short a time.
Okay, we'll play that. Didn't look any different, did it?
Maybe if you put another copy of that default line of Blockley at the beginning after start, it might reset the eyes. So grab another one of those default ones. No. Is it possible to take Dolly out of program mode so she sort of resets her eyes and then put her back in it to see how this code works?
Right, okay. So we want to save it.
Yeah, save it.
Project 2.
Okay.
Save. So let me go in.
Right, so
Right.
Dolly's come out, yeah.
So go back into Blockley.
Go to advanced.
So program.
Project 2, yeah. Open. And run it, yeah. So she got these, the first line was executed and it stayed like that.
That default doesn't seem to do anything, does it?
No.
I'm going to take out that default because it doesn't seem to do anything. And we're going to... Let's have a different expression.
So this is interesting the way you're using Blockley. You're not really programming, you're just sort of experimenting, aren't you? Putting things together. I suppose it's like the beginnings of programming.
Which one do you want to choose?
Choose anger.
Type aggravated.
Okay, so after 1 second, should be a change. That's good, I like that. I like anger. So when it comes to the end of that program, with it being Blockley, does it just stop? Because there's no loop, is there? It's not in a loop. So you could put all the code in a loop so it would continually change its I expressions, couldn't you?
So we'll have one more I expression. Fear?
Yeah.
Anxious. Okay. And we'll look at loops. Repeat 2 times. Okay. So it's going to repeat that twice.
Okay. Anger. And then fear, is it? Yeah. And then it's gone back to... Oh, it's just cycled round, hasn't it?
Yeah, because it does it twice.
You could do with a delay after that last one. Because you've got a delay after each one, but after that last one, it just goes straight back, doesn't it? So I'll put another delay in.
Good. Time.
Okay. So the first one's happiness, admiration, then anger, and then fear, and then a second's delay before it goes back to
happiness, and then anger.
I'm not sure if there is a second's delay.
And that's it. It's done it twice.
Done it twice, yeah. So there would be an option in that loop to do it forever, wouldn't there, I suppose?
It says repeat, and then you put how many times you want to repeat it. So within this loop, There isn't an option. So that is the only block that you've got. So you can't get it to repeat forever. You can only get it to repeat so many times.
So you'd have to put a high number, wouldn't you, in its number of times?
So put it on 20.
Okay.
So that was just demonstrating using Blockley with the I expressions. So it's just basically getting it to execute a few animations however many times you want them to repeat.
The interface is clean and it works very well, doesn't it? There's been no glitches, and it's just simple and intuitive to use.
So that was for I expressions. You could do the same thing with sound, or driving it around, or making its arms move, or turning the lights on and off. So I asked in the group, I said, there doesn't seem to be any way to access any of the sensors to,
Blockley,
to initiate code.
You mean like if it's picked up, for instance, and it triggers the edge sensors? Or what I was thinking was,
when I've done a bit of Blockley with other robots, you normally have things like you can access the microphone and you might like clap once or twice or 3 times for different things to happen.
I see, yeah.
But what they said in answer to that question in the group was that because Blockley is quite a restrictive.
It is very restrictive, really, because as soon as your code gets to any size, it's difficult to handle on the screen.
As I found with the MBOT, I had it doing all sorts of things, but it was so big and cumbersome, it'd be the code.
It's difficult to handle on the screen, isn't it? Yeah.
So they said because of that, once they've finished the distribution of all the dollies that they have ordered through Kickstarter to the backers, they're going to focus on an SDK for using Python
software development kit, right?
Yeah.
So once you get that SDK and you can program in Python, probably by a computer cable, maybe connecting to the Raspberry Pi. I don't know, or might be wireless. But once you can program in Python, you should be able to access all the sensors.
Yeah.
Like the gyro, the
because obviously you'd be able to do far
IMU,
more with that. So that's it for demonstrating different aspects of Dolly in this video.
Okay.
I don't think I'll do another video until there's an update issued.
So you can be able to program it in Python.
Well, the SDK or any other significant update, I don't think there's anything really that I can demonstrate until... I wonder if she was looking for us there.
Or maybe she was looking for
a charging dock.
Charging dock.
Maybe.
We never did sort out facial recognition, did we?
Oh yeah, that was one thing I wanted to mention.
Got it down there, haven't you? She's trying to get your attention. I like that.
We got the app to register our name after Dolly scanned our face.
Yeah.
But if we say, "Hey Dolly, what's my name?" she does this, but then nothing happens afterwards. So she doesn't say "You're Jude" or "Can't scan." If you look in the app and you look at what she's thinking, it'll just say "identifying."
Right.
But it won't say "failed to identify" or "identified as Jude." It just doesn't do anything.
Right.
So I wasn't getting any feedback one way or the other. So I thought what I'll do is I'll try and scan my face as someone else if she's not recognising me as Jude.
Yeah.
So I got her to scan my face and asked her to record that as Mommy, and it said already recorded as Jude.
Oh, so it did.
And then
right.
directly afterwards, so the lighting's the same and
Yeah,
everything. I said, "Hey Dolly, what's my name?" And she did that same thing
Right.
where you get no feedback.
So obviously, if you can't record your face as Mommy, she's already recognising your face as Jude. So she
And it was
recognises.
recognising me
Yeah.
at that split second.
Yeah.
I didn't move. Immediately after, I said, "What's my name?"
Yeah, I got you.
And she did what you've just seen here. So it's like there's no
Software to act on facial recognition.
to say
To
whether
say,
it's
"Hi,
registered
Jude,"
or not.
yeah, I see. Okay. So that's interesting. Any other points?
We mentioned at the beginning of the video about the squeaky vet treads. So at the end of the first video we did, the treads were squeaking, and I got some feedback in the group
It was what
from
actually,
the manufacturers,
and they told us how to correct it.
and they showed a video. But they said that had only happened on the first 300 units, and the ones that they're sending out now don't squeak.
Yeah, it wasn't actually the treads as such. It was the idler wheel that the treads go on. Which
Right,
is
that
the
needed
one,
lubricating.
Yeah, the one at the back on the sort of like axle or spindle. So that was solved quite easily.
When we sent her back to the charger, we mentioned that other people had said it's not obvious when she's charging. How do we know that she's charging? And in the app, there's nothing to indicate that it's charging when it's charging.
Okay.
But they have said, the manufacturers have said that they're going to include that in an update.
Yeah.
So that you can see in the app when it's charging.
That's a good idea. I think I did, excuse me, Dolly, while I just turn you around. I did see when Dolly had gone on a charger, looking down from this way, a sort of red glow at the back of the charger, and I thought it might have been coming from this light, which seemed to indicate that it was charging, yeah.
Yes,
it
he
wasn't
said
that clear, though.
They've also said that turns red while it's charging.
Oh, right, it does turn red. So that's the reflection I could see looking down the back of the charger then. Yeah.
Put it back on now. So obviously there are a few things that they're currently working on.
As there always is.
An update
for
that
new
we
products.
will get in the future.
Yeah, I look forward to the updates and especially the SDK.
Yeah, and that's coming after they've distributed them all. So it might be a while before I do another video on Dolly, because I'm only going to do another video on Dolly when I've got something to report, like there's been an update for it.
Okay.
But that's it for this video. I still really like Dolly.
Oh, yeah, I'm looking forward to what's to come, Jude. Really looking forward. And it looks like eventually you're going to get a product where you can learn Python on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which I've wanted for a long, long time.
Yeah.
But that concludes it for this video. Thanks for watching as always. And I hope you'll join us in the next one when we get an update.
Great stuff.